What is this called in English? Toothbrush. What is this called in English? Spoon. What is this called in English? Bottle. What is this called in English? Book. What is this called in English? Phone. What is this called in English? Pen. What is this called in English? Cup. What is this called in English? Shoes. What is this called in English? Table. What is this called in English? Key. What is this called in English? Lips. What is this called in English? Eye. What is this called in English? Mouth. What is this called in English? Ear. What is this called in English? Nose. What is this called in English? Brow. What is this called in English? Hand. What is this called in English?
What is this called in English? Alarm. What is this called in English? Camera. What is this called in English? Lock. What is this called in English? Key. What is this called in English? Motion detector. What is this called in English? Password. What is this called in English? Fence. What is this called in English? Surveillance. What is this called in English? Door sensor. What is this called in English? Hat. What is this called in English? Scarf. What is this called in English? Gloves. What is this called in English? Belt. What is this called in English? Sunglasses. What is this called in English? Necklace. What is this called in English? Bracelet. What is this called in English? Earrings. What is this called in English? Watch.